concept of transpose matrix. Transpose of a matrix A equal to Aij is any matrix if we change the rows to columns and columns to row. That means if we interchange the rows to columns and column automatically interchange to row, then we get a matrix which is denoted by A dash equal to what? Aji n into m order matrix. Then A dash is known as a transpose of A. Then A is known as a transpose of a matrix. For example, we take A is equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 of a matrix of order 2 into 2. Then, if we interchange the rows, these rows to columns, then we get A11, A12, A21, A22 of order 2 into 2 matrix. Then this matrix is known as a transpose of a matrix A. Similarly, we take another example. A is a 3 into 3 matrix of order 3 into 3 matrix. Elements are A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32 and A33. If we change this row to column and this row to column and this row to column, that means if we interchange the rows to columns, then we get a new matrix which is denoted by A dash. Then we get A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. That is, we get a new matrix of order, same order, since it is a square matrix. Then this is known as a transpose of a matrix A. Transpose is found by interchanging rows and columns. For another example, take A is a matrix of order 3 into 2. Elements are 3, 5, root 3, 1, 0 and minus 1 by 5. If we interchange rows to columns, then we get this row become columns 3, 5, this row become columns root 3, 1 and this row becomes column 0, minus 1 by 5. Then we get a matrix of order 2 row and 3 columns which is denoted by A dash. Then A dash is known as a transpose of matrix A. Similarly, we take another example. A here power of the matrix is 3 into 2. Here only 3 row is there and 1 column is there. If we interchange these columns to row, then we get 5 half minus 1 of order 1 row and 3 columns. 1 row into 3 columns, which is known as a transpose of a matrix A. In this way, we can clear the concept of the transpose matrix. Now we are going to another concept of symmetric matrix. What is symmetric matrix? Symmetric matrix is a square matrix. If A is equal to Aij n into n order square matrix, then its transpose, that means A dash is equal to its original matrix, then this matrix is known as a symmetric matrix. In case symmetric matrix, Aij is equal to Aj. For example, we take a matrix A is equal to 3 into 3 order matrix, that is a square matrix. Elements are root 3, 2, 3, 2, minus 1.5, minus 1, 3, minus 1 and 1. If we interchange the rows and columns, that means we find transpose of A. Then we get what? Root 3, here become 2, here become 3, here 2, here minus 1.5, here minus 1, again here we get 3, minus 1 and 1. That is, we get a matrix is order same 3 into 3, which is same as the original matrix. there is no difference between two matrix. That means we get what we get? A dash equal to A. That means that is the definition of symmetric matrix. If A dash equal to A, then A is known as a symmetric matrix. Similarly, we take another example. A is equal to 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3 of order 3 into 3. If we interchange the rows, 3 rows into 3 columns, then we get a new matrix, that is 1, minus 1, 5, minus 1, 2, 1, 5, 1, 3. Then we get a matrix which is denoted by A dash. But we observe that this matrix and this matrix are nothing but same. Corresponding elements are same, so this matrix are equal. That means we get what? A dash equal to A. That is the definition of a symmetric matrix. Since A dash equal to A, so we can say the matrix A is a symmetric matrix. In this way, we can clear the concept of symmetric matrix. Now we are going to another matrix concept of a skew symmetric matrix. Skew symmetric matrix is also a square matrix. A matrix is said to be a skew symmetric matrix if A dash equal to minus A. That means if transpose is equal to minus A, then we can say that A is a skew symmetric matrix. For example, take A is a matrix of order 3 into 3, 0, E, F, minus E, 0, Z, minus F, minus Z, and 0. If we interchange, that means we can, if we find transpose of this matrix, then we get 0, E, F, minus E, 0, Z, minus F, minus Z, and 0. If we take minus in common from this matrix, then we get 0, E, F. This become minus E, this become 0, this become Z, this become minus F, this become minus Z, this become 0. That means we get what? Minus this matrix is nothing but the original same of this matrix. So we can write this equal to A. That means we get A dash equal to minus A. So we can say this matrix is a skew symmetric matrix. Take another example of power 3 into 3. A is equal to is a matrix 0. Elements are 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, and third row 1, minus 1, 0. If we find A dash, then we interchange the rows to column. That we get 0, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, 0. If we take minus 1 common from this matrix, then we get 0, plus 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus, this is plus 1, minus 1, and 0. This also plus 1. Then we get matrix which is equal to same, the 0, 0, 1, 1, minus 1, minus 1, 0, same, 1, same, 1, same, minus 1, same. That's the corresponding elements are equal, so we get equal to minus. That means we have get A dash equal to A. A dash equal to A dash equal to, we get A dash equal to minus A. So we can say this matrix is nothing but a skew symmetric matrix. But is a very important thing in skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements are always 0. Here also diagonal elements are always 0. So you can say in a skew symmetric matrix, the diagonal elements means AII. In this is known as A11, this is known as A22, this is known as A33. That means Aij is equal to 0 in a skew symmetric matrix. In this way, we can clear the concept of skew symmetric matrix. Thank you. The